Here is how to create a new folder in Outlook. In Outlook, you might want to create a new folder to organize your emails. The step-by-step guide will show you how. So let's begin. Open your Outlook application. In the top, click on the folder option that is between sending, receive, and view. Now select new folder and name of folder and select where you want to place the folder. Also select what you want this folder to contain. Then tap on OK and your folder will be created. Now you can go to inbox. Then you can go ahead and find any mail, right click on it and move it to the specific folder. Another thing you can do is you can go to inbox, then right click on it and select new folder. And this will create a new subfolder in your inbox section. Name your folder as desired, and after creating it, you can drag and drop emails into it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.